I'm here on the side of Gunsight Mountain out in Glacier National Park. Drove here last night and slept in my car. Got up about 5 a.m. to start this hike. So yeah, good times. About 8 miles to the pass just right down there. And then yeah, still got a ways to go. Got to scramble up side here. I don't know if you guys can see, there's a mountain goat just way down there. I've already had a couple mountain goat encounters. I was even watching this family of goats, this mom and a couple kids, for like 20 minutes. They were scaling the side of cliffs and then they started hiking alongside the trail. I kind of just followed them right up. I felt like part of the family. But now seriously, let's get back to the climbing. Wasn't too bad. Looks like most of it's gonna be a scramble. Woo! Made it, baby. I'm up here on the summit of Gunsight Mountain. Pretty stunning views. Got Lake Ellen Wilson down there. Got Lake McDonald. Got a couple lakes over there coming up to the pass. Plus just an endless sea of mountains. Oh! There we go. There's that celebratory summit roar. And making our way over here. Check out what these views are like. But climb isn't too bad. Mostly just some basic scrambling. Wow, look at that. Definitely worth it. Stunning. Well, this was fun, but it's, you know, still just after 10 a.m. Plenty of time left in the day. Let's see how many peaks I can bag. Woo! Little Matterhorn, second mountain of the day, and it's definitely going to be a lot more difficult than Gunsight was. It's supposed to be somewhat technical, so let's see how this goes. All right, see a cairn right here. Wow, look at those waterfalls way down there. That's cool. Oh man, beautiful mountains as always. All right, well, that first pitch is done. Not too bad, but still got a ways to go to the summit. That's a pretty far drop. This is not going to be fun going down. Well, at least there's a cairn. Now I'm going the right way. All these look pretty sketchy. Don't really want to go up that. I think this is it. I mean, looks like the least sketchy route of all of them. So let's see. please be the summit. Oh yes, thank God, finally made it. Here we are, summit of Little Matterhorn, named after the fact that it resembles Matterhorn in Switzerland, if that wasn't obvious enough. Let's go over here and check out this view. Oh man, look at that. What a beauty. Avalanche Lake. Done that lake several times. Stunning hike. Really short, really easy. Never seen it from this view though. If you're at the base of the lake, look up. It's surrounded by walled mountains. This is the pointy one on the far right. And yeah, wow. Stunning views. Oh yeah, I can't forget about that. Mountain number 3. I'm here next to Edwards Mountain, third mountain of the day. And yep, climbing up the side. Let's see how this goes. Man, stunning lakes. Sun is out shining. It's a gorgeous day. Ooh, what a beauty. Just a nice little ridge walk right here. Sure hope I can find a way up this. Oh, I had to crawl on that one. That was not fun. I had to crawl into that overhang so I didn't fall off the edge. Oh, I'm not used to doing the splits. Oh, I think that's the summit up there. Here's to hoping. Here we go. Finally. Woo! On the summit, baby. Ah, that's all I got left in me for a roar. I'm exhausted. That's what climbing 3 mountains does to you. But can't complain about those views. Oh man. My legs are starting to cramp. Just gonna take it easy for a bit before I head back down. Hopefully find an easier way down, because that would be nice. Just when you guys thought I was done climbing mountains for the day, got one more for ya. Up here on Lincoln Peak, the 4th and final summit. Yeah, I'm not feeling it. The roar's not happening. But yeah, so I saved the best for last. And as in best, I mean easiest, because it was just a straight walk up, which I really needed after the seriously intense climbing I did on the other mountains. But just because it's easier doesn't mean that it's any less spectacular. If not, I think it's even more. So look at these views, how beautiful this is. Got Lake Ellen Wilson dropping down into Lincoln Lake. Got absolutely stunning sunset clouds above the mountains. This is just unreal. Oh man, it has been a long day though. My feet are killing me, and I still have like 7 miles to go before I get back to the car. So that most certainly will not be fun. Oh man, when I get back, guessing it'll be around 10:30, 11, which would be, oh man, like 18 hours since I first started this hike at 5 a.m. Oh, yep, good 30 miles round trip, 4 mountains, about 9,000 feet of elevation gain. Pretty serious, one of my most grueling hikes yet, but oh man, definitely worth the accomplishment. And just, man, stunning scenery around every corner. But that's just the beauty of Glacier for you. Until the next summit, at least once my feet heal, but that may be a minute.